Assalamu alaikum. Today is November 30, 2021. And from yesterday, we had in Turkey, and we still have, LODOS Fırtına, which means LODOS storm. This is the name of the storm. In this video, I wanted you to know what the Turkish news, were writing in their websites, in their newspapers. So I chose a couple of news headlines that I took from the websites, the Turkish news websites, and I wanted you to see them, and at the same time I will tell you what they mean in English. So Bismillah, let's start. First news. I'm going to read the headline only in Turkish and then tell you what it means. Son dakika haberi. İstanbul valiliğinden motokurye, motosiklet ve elektrikli scooter kararı. Son dakika haberi. Haber is news. Son dakika, last minute. Son is last. Dakika, minute. So, last minute news. Son dakika haberi. İstanbul valiliğinden, the governor of Istanbul, the wali. In Arabic, it's wali. It's the same in Turkish, vali. Now, he took a decision which is kararı. Karar is a decision. Same in Arabic, karar. About who? About the motokurye, the motorcyclet, and electrically scooter. Motokurye are the motorcycles that make delivery to your house. We have, for example, Getir. This is motokurye. Motosiklet, the normal motorcycles, the one that normal people use. And electrically scooter, the electrical scooters. He took a decision about these three. Now, of course, below will be the decision in details. I'm just going to read the headlines. Second news. Meteoroloji uyarmıştı. Fırtına vurdu. İstanbul, Kocaeli ve Zonguldak'ta 6 kişi hayatını kaybetti. İstanbul valiliğinden flash karar. Son dakika, as we said, last minute. And they mean last minute news. Meteoroloji uyarmıştı means meteorologist warned. Uyarmıştı, warned. Fırtına vurdu, which means the storm struck. Vurdu, struck. Fırtına, storm. Istanbul. Now we have three areas that they mentioned. Istanbul, Kocaeli, ve Zonguldak. These three areas. What happened? 6 kişi hayatını kaybetti. 6 people lost their lives, which means they were dead. Now, the ta next to Zonguldak, this ta is in. So in Istanbul, in that area. And the third area, 6 kişi hayatını kaybetti. And the last one is İstanbul valiliğinden flash karar. Valiliğinden, vali, as we said in the previous news, it's the wali, the governor of Istanbul. Flash karar, a decision that was taken in a flash, means now, suddenly. The den, which is next to the word vali, at the end we have den, it means from the wali, from the governor. This is the second news. Third news, İstanbul'da fırtına sürüyor. İşte bitiş saati. İstanbul'da, da is in Istanbul. Fırtına sürüyor. The storm is going on. It's continuing. İşte, here's, bitiş saati, the end of this storm. We have next. İstanbul hava durumu 30 Kasım. İstanbul'da lodu saat kaçta duracak? Son dakika bilgi. İstanbul hava durumu 30 Kasım. The state of the weather in Istanbul, 30 Kasım, which is November 30. İstanbul'da, in Istanbul. LODOS is the name of this storm. Saat kaçta duracak? Duracak, stop, will stop. Duracak, this is in the future, will stop. Now, saat kaçta duracak? When will it stop? So, İstanbul'da LODOS saat kaçta duracak? When will the LODOS stop? Son dakika bilgi, last minute information. So they are going to tell you what is happening now. Son dakika bilgi. Son dakika, Türk Hava Yolları şiddetli rüzgar nedeniyle İstanbul varışlı seferlerini durdurdu. Türk Hava Yolları, which means the Turkish Airlines. Şiddetli rüzgar nedeniyle. Nedeniyle because of. Neden is why, right? Nedeniyle because of the şiddetli rüzgar. The very strong rüzgar is wind. Because of this strong wind, what happened? İstanbul varışlı seferlerini durdurdu. Durdurdu, stopped. What did they stop? The coming flights. Varış is when you arrive. Varışlı seferlerini, the flights that are coming. Another news, this is short one. Konya'da kum fırtınası, sürücüler zor anlar yaşadı. Now in Konya, we're in Konya. In Konya. In Konya, what do they have? They have another kind of fırtına, which is sandstorm. Kum means sand. Sandstorm in Konya. What happened to the drivers? Sürücüler, drivers. Sürücü is a driver. Sürücüler, drivers, plural. Zor anlar yaşadı. Yaşadı, they lived difficult moments. So the drivers in this sandstorm faced, in other words, difficult moments. I'm going to read first the yellow one and explain it. Uçan çatının altında kalarak yaşamını yitirdi. Uçan çatının altında. Below the flying roof. Uçan, flying. Çatı is the roof. Altında, under it. So, uçan çatının altında. What happened? Kalarak yaşamını yitirdi. The meaning of these three words is remained dead. So as you know, we usually in Turkish or any other language, we don't translate word by word. Why? Because sometimes you'll get another meaning, a wrong meaning. So these three words, kalarak yaşamını yitirdi, means they stayed dead. They remained dead. So they are talking about someone who died. Uçan çatının altında kalarak yaşamını yitirdi. Evladını korumak için kendini feda etti. Evladını korumak için means for protecting her kid, korumak is protecting, kendini feda etti. She sacrificed herself. Kendini is herself, feda etti, sacrificed. Next, we have here also the same news but in another title. Kahraman anne çocuğunu fırtınadan böyle kurtardı. Kahraman anne, the hero mother. The mother was a hero because she saved her baby. So kahraman is hero. Çocuğunu fırtınadan. Çocuğunu is her kid, her baby. Fırtınadan, from the storm. Böyle, this is how. Kurtardı, she saved. So this is how the mother hero saved her baby from the storm. Fırtınadan, from the storm. And the last news in this video is this one. Son dakika. Yüz yüze eğitime LODOS engelli. Velilikler peş peşe duyurdu. Now son dakika means, as we know, breaking news. Yüz yüze is face to face. Eğitime, education. Face to face education was stopped by LODOS. Now, engelli means disabled. But of course, we don't translate word by word. We take the meaning of the whole sentence. Yüz yüze eğitime LODOS engelli. The face-to-face education was stopped by LODOS. Velilikler peş peşe diyordu. The valis, the governors, one by one. So, one wali, let's say, one governor said, tomorrow there is no school. The other wali also said that, then the other in different areas. So, peş peşe, one by one. Duyurdu is announced. So, son dakika yüz yüze eğitime LODOS engelli. Velilikler peş peşe duyurdu. This was the last headline that I wanted to explain. I hope you learned something new from these news. You learn new words, you memorize new words. And of course, you can always share this video in your WhatsApp groups or to a person that's learning Turkish and also help him as you are being helped to learn Turkish. Assalamu alaikum.